Hi, I'm Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee, and in this video tutorial we are going to go through setting up a rewards program with the Smile.io Shopify app. So there are a lot of different loyalty programs or rewards programs in Shopify that you can add in so that whenever customers purchase from you, they can get points and redeem them for discounts or special products. And so there's a lot of different ones to choose from. You can come in here to this search and just type in rewards or loyalty at the App Store, which is just apps.shopify.com. And you can choose the ones that work the best for you. So I'm going to show in this demonstration today how to set it up with the Smile.io app. And this is my personal favorite to use for my own websites as well as for client sites because it's really, really user-friendly, both setting up as a merchant as well as for your customers to go in and know exactly how they're getting their points and how they can go in and redeem them as well. So it makes it really nice and clean to put on your site, and it helps avoid a lot of confusion because people aren't going to use your rewards program if it's very confusing. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to add this to our app store. So I am just going to hit the Get button here. And this is going to take us back to our back end of Shopify. And I'm just going to approve that they have permission to go in and do all of these things. So I'm going to hit Install App. And it's going to walk us through this now, but I want to go back real quick to the Shopify store. So this is the Shopify backend, and this is apps. And if we refresh it here, so these are the two apps I had previously. If we refresh it, you'll now see that this app has been added in. So let's go back to the demonstration and we'll go through their steps. So this is letting you choose exactly how you want to reward your customers. So I'm going to do it for all of these options. And they do have different pricing plans where you have some options like if they leave a review that you can give a reward for. However, with their basic plan, it's just a certain set of ways that they can receive a reward. So I'm just going to hit next. And they're automatically creating these discounts. However, we can go in and we can change the price and the points once we finalize the setup. So we'll just hit next. And it's just showing how it's going to be displayed on our site. So we'll just hit got it. And now let's go in and manage our program. So this is the back end of the app, which you can always get to by going to your Shopify backend over here and hitting apps and just clicking into it here. So you can come back at any moment that you want. But let's go back to it. And we're going to go in and customize a little bit more. So we're going to see that the last step of finishing our setup is to go in and set our brand color. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to make it the brand color that I have for this Shopify store. And I have this hex code already. However, you can always just select it from the options that you saw there. And I'll hit save. Okay, so now let's go in and let's change how the rewards are achieved as well as redeemed. So we're just going to come in here to points. And you can see the earning rules over here. So we're going to hit view all earning rules. So we have share on Twitter, share on Facebook. So they're getting, if they shared this on Twitter or Facebook, they're going to get 50 points. For placing an order, they're going to get 1 point for every dollar they spend. Celebrate a birthday is 200 points and sign up is 200 points. So I think the celebrate a birthday and sign up is kind of high, especially since that first reward I think was 500 points. So let's come in here and we're just going to click celebrate a birthday. And I'm going to change this 200 to 50. And we want to email the customer and let them know that this is available. So we'll hit save. And we're going to go back and we're going to change the other one as well. So you can have your points values whatever you want them to be, as well as what you want, how they redeem the points. However, these are just default rules. You kind of are going to have to go through and do a little bit of math to make sure that you're not, losing a bunch of money with your rewards program, but that you are still incentivizing customers. So you need to make it a nice enough a reward so that people want to participate. However, make sure that you're not, giving away so much that you're losing a lot of money. And if you want to have an additional earning rule, we can come up here and click on this button. So let's say we want to add it in for a Facebook like, and I'm going to hit 50, and we're going to come in and do this Facebook page URL. So I'm going to go to the front end of our store so that I can grab this and open that in a new tab, and I'm just going to copy this URL and paste it in, and then hit create. Okay, and we'll go back to the earning rules and add a few more in. So we'll add in an Instagram follow. And give 50 points for that. And let's come back to our store again and see what that Instagram handle is. Okay. So here, where the Facebook one, you had to post the whole link. Instagram, we're just putting your username. And I'm going to hit create. And let's look one more time at the different earning rules and see if we want to add any additional ones in. So this brand doesn't have a Twitter account. So let's go in and add the product review. I think this may be with a higher plan, but let's see. So we'll add in, let's say 50 points again, and hit create. Okay, great. So it's going to let us do that. And I think that was all that we wanted to add. So this would be if you had a brick and mortar store. And again, we don't have a Twitter account. So now we have all the ways that they can earn points in our store. So now let's go into spending, and we will give all of the different ways that they can spend that. So for the first one, which is $5 off, they have to have 500 points, and then it goes up from there. So these feel really fair for me. So I'm going to keep it like this. However, you can go in and you can add a bunch of different ones of however you want, or you can click into them, and let's click into this, and you can see here where you can change how much it cost, as well as your total reward value of how much you're giving that. So we'll come back here, and you can always go in and hit add rule to add in additional ones. So again, you have the options of doing a fixed discount, free shipping, percentage off discount, or free product at checkout. So this would be great if you had a smaller product that you could kind of throw in and still make it a really nice deal. Or maybe you have a bigger product and it's just a lot of points to get to that. And again, we have, if you do have a Shopify POS set up for your store, for a brick and mortar store, you can come in and also enable this for your point of sale system as well. So now that we've got our points set up, if we come back here to the dashboard under points, you'll see all of your rules, as well as once you start having customers interact with your program, you'll start seeing that activity here, or you can also see it under activity over here on the left-hand side. So let's come into settings under the rewards program and make sure we have everything that we want done. So our program is enabled. And you can come in here and you can name it whatever you want. So for example, I have one client that sells bath products, so they've named theirs tub tokens. So you can get a little playful with it and make it match your branding. However, for this example, I'm just going to go in and put points. And for a higher plan, you can also make the points expire. So we'll come in here and hit save. And now let's go in and customize a little bit of how it looks. So if we come in to our site, so we're on the home page. So this is our site that we're adding this for. So this is tomofit.com, and I'm actually showing how to grow your business with Shopify and all the behind the scenes of this business on the YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe to get more updates about that. and be able to see exactly how we're doing with sales and growing our audience month after month. So you can see right here that it is added in this rewards program over here in the right-hand corner. And if we select on that, it pops this up. So it's automatically prompting us to create an account to be able to start doing it. But if we hit this learn more, we're also going to be able to see the different rewards as well as the options of how you can redeem them or earn them. So we'll hit back out of here and let's go in and customize it just a little bit more. So right now we're in the free plan. Oh, I'm going to head back here. So right now we're in the free plan, which you can see here. So we are a little bit limited in our customization. It does typically require a little bit higher plan, I believe, to add in some additional functionality. However, let's go in and see how much we can do before upgrading our plan. So let's go under branding and hit customize brand. So we've already done this of our colors. So let's go back. And actually, I'm going to come in and I'm going to change this color to be a little bit brighter so it pops a little bit more on our site. I would definitely go in and make this an accent color. So it's just going to be really bright and stick out. Okay, so let's hit back now and we'll customize the launcher. So this right now is on the right-hand side. However, since people read left to right and I want people to see this, I'm going to go in and hit left. Okay, and I'm going to say rewards program. Okay, and you also have the option to instantly show the launcher as well as show on mobile. So you can see here that you do have to have a higher plan to add in a logo. So let's go in and customize a few other things and then I'll upgrade this to a higher plan so you can see how that looks. And now on the left-hand side, I'm going to hit cards. And so right now, this is how it will display on your store once a customer is earning points. So you'll see here, it's just the name TomoFit as well as welcome and no logo there. And you can see that it's showing how quickly they're getting to their point. And then the ability to either earn more points, which would be shopping, or spend the points, which would be just redeeming it once they get to that. So let's go ahead and upgrade to the basic plan so that we can add in a logo and customize it a little bit more. So the basic plan includes up to 2,000 members and is $59 a month. So again, you kind of just need to make sure that it's going to be worth it for you in terms of adding in this rewards program and that you're not going to be losing money either with the app fees or with the discounts that you're doing. So also by doing this basic plan, we're going to be able to remove this powered by as well as just customize it just a little bit more. So we're going to hit upgrade. And I'm going to approve this. And I'm not saying you have to get the higher plan. This is just something I was wanting to do so that you can see exactly how it works and the different levels. So let's go back to our display area and go to customize cards. So now I'm going to go in and add our logo. So I'm going to hit edit card. I'm going to click here to upload the logo. I'm just going to select it here. Okay, and you can choose where you want it to be positioned as well as changing some of the text. So you can also have a background. I'm going to keep it just white, I think, so that it looks really nice. So we could come in here. So let's just do a background and I'll play around with something real quick. We'll select this image, which is one that we were using for our coming soon page. And I can change this to a white logo so that it pops really nicely. Okay, and we'll hit save. And so now you can see here that it's showing the welcome back, John, which would be this customer first name. So let's add an exclamation point to it. That looks silly if they don't have the customer name, so we'll take that off and just hit save. Okay, and then let's go back to cards And so you have to have a higher plan for this one to edit that even more. So this one is a little bit more expensive, so we're not going to upgrade to that level. And then finally, let's go into notifications. And so this is going to be the emails that are being sent off. So we can come in here and customize these. So we'll hit customer spent points so we can customize this email. Oh, it looks like we have to have the small business plan to customize this, but you can see how it's looking now on your site. This is what they would receive in their inbox, the ability to see that they've gotten the discount, as well as the actual discount code, as well as shop, so that they can go in and quickly go to your store and redeem it. So there's also additional functionality with the app in terms of reports. So we'll come over here and you can see exactly how many points are being earned, as well as spent, as well as how many members you have, and repeat purchases that are happening, because the repeat purchases are definitely where people are going to rack up points the most. And then finally over here in the apps area, so there are different app integrations that you can see here of how you can connect this in to work with your rewards program. However, all of these do require the small business plan. So we're not going to be able to connect with this. However, as your rewards program grows, so the basic plan only goes up to 2,000 members. So as your reward program grows, you can add in a higher plan to accommodate those subscribers, as well as go in and add in additional app functionality. So let's go back to the front end of our store now that we've set everything up, and let's just refresh it. So we're going to see how it looks. So we moved it over to the left-hand side, so we can see it here now. So we click on that, and we hit Learn More. And we can see now that our color has updated, and whenever someone is logged in, they would be able to then see the banner that we added as well. So let's hit Create a Store Account, and we'll just do this real quick. Okay, so this is our account area. So let's hit this rewards program again. And now we can see this banner that we added of the welcome back, as well as how we are doing on our point scale. So this is the Smile.io app and how it integrates very quickly with your store, so you can honestly have your rewards program up and running in about 10-15 minutes, which is really nice. So once you have this set up, make sure that you send an email out to all of your past customers or existing customers and let them know about your new rewards program and information about your different options, so that you're really enticing people to go to your site, create an account if they don't have one already, and go ahead and start purchasing so they start earning rewards. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and make sure to subscribe to get more video tutorials all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.